Honor launches its new smartphone under X series in China called Honor X80i, with quiet cool-looking design. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X80i features a tall 6.6-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 6500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6500E Lite chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, and 128, 256, or 512 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Honor X80i sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified secondary lens, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the pill-shape hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16, based on Magic OS 10 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP66 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 157.43 by 75.35 by 7.34 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X80i has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in flowing sand pink, lime green, moon shadow white, and obsidian black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X80i smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.